Hello kids, let's learn some colors and A to Z and numbers 1 to 10. Let's find out the color's name. Light orange color, sky blue color, orange color, light brown color, dark green color, blue color, sea green color, yellow color, brown color, purple color, olive green color, maroon color, dark pink color, green color. Dark green color. A for apricot. B for balloons. M for mouse. N for net. Purple color. G for gloves. H for hat. Q for queen. R for rainbow. U for umbrella. V for violin. Dark pink color. Orange color. C for clock. D for doll. W for wood. X for xylophone. E for egg. F for foot. S for snake. T for telephone. Maroon color. O for olive. P for pumpkin. Y for yam. Z for zero. I for iron. J for jacket. Brown color. light pink color. K. K for kiwi. L. L for light. One. Number 1. 2. Number 2. 3. Number 3. 4. Number 4. 5. Number 5. 6. Number 6. 7. Number 7. 8. Number 8. 9. Number 9. 10. Number 10. A for apricot, B for balloon, C for clock, D for doll, E for egg, F for food, G for gloves, H for hat, I for iron, J for jacket, K for kiwi, L for light, M for mouse, N for net, O for olive, P for pumpkin, Q for queen, R for rainbow, S for snake, T for telephone, U for umbrella, V for violin, W for wood, X for xylophone, Y for yam, Z for zero. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, please like and subscribe. Bye. See you in the next video.